भुरग्यांच्यो शाळा सुरू जाल्यात पूण पावस केन्ना पडत तो नेम ना। भुरग्यांक वताच्या कडकड्यार शाळेत वचचें पडटा आनी गरमेत शिकचें पडटा। देखून जो मेरेन पावस येना तो मेरेन शाळा बंद दवरप आनी तांचें उक्तावण 10 जून मेरेन धुकलप अशी मागणी आम आदमी पक्षांची वावुरपी सेसील रॉड्रिगीजान केल्या। ह्या बाबतींत तिणें शिक्षण संचालकांक निवेदन भेटयलें। सरकारा कडेन उलोवणी करून ह्या विशयाचेर तोडगो हाडटले अशें संचालकान सांगलें।
सो आमची जी भुरगीं आहा स्कुलांनी शिकता ते सारके त्रासान आसा. It is not right because there is going to be water shortage also in the schools soon. So hygiene and health is going to be another big issue over here. So I think so there was another parent, Sanish, who was here with us, but he had to rush for a meeting, and all the parents couldn't come here. And I'm sure we are representing all the parents of Goa who are facing this, and all the teachers and the principals of the school. The heat is unbearable. So we have done this representation because we couldn't meet the CM, and now the director has said that he will look into it and also see what best he can do. And he said, let's pray for the rains to come down soon. I have spoken to few schools and few principals, few parents. Some schools in South Goa are finishing at 1:30. Some schools in our Tiswadi area are finishing at 1:30. Some schools are finishing at 10:30. So all schools have a different timings. There's no fixed timing because they are taking a protocol as per what is the situation in the school. Electricity na zalar, they're sending the students early. Water shortage ha zalar, they might send the students early. So situation is so bad, and we are saying that today climate change is playing a very, very important role in our lives. We have to understand this is just this year 2023. I don't know another 5 years down the line whether we'll even have a June month as a rainy season. So kindly requesting people please, there's hill cutting, there are fields being filled. Don't destroy Mother Nature because we cannot fool around, we cannot play around with her because if we are feeling the heat right now, rains are delayed, what will happen to the whole ecological system is going to be a big, big problem.